Sentence starter if you would like one. My plan. Dear readers, welcome back. If you'd like to hear directions, please watch the video. How are you? Take 3 breaths. In with a good, out with a bad. Where are you on the compass? Ignite. What book did you choose for Historical Fiction Book Club? Chunk. How is your book going so far? If you do not have a book, read Inside Out and Back Again by Tan Lai. It is great. Click on book cover for text. Try reading to self first, but if it helps, an actor has read the text aloud wonderfully. Chew on it. Make a reading plan. Try to finish your book in the next 3 to 4 weeks. Read for 20 plus pages a day. Look at the sections or chapters in the table of contents for your book. Use this plan if you would like to read Inside Out and Back Again. Part 1, Part 2, Part 1 finished, Part 2, Part 3, Part 3 continued, Part 3 finished, Part 4. So there are 7 chunks. So I would try to get through 2 chunks a week. The chunks are about 23 minutes each. Sample 3-week plan. 16th, half of part 1. 17th, part 1 until end. 18th, go to part 1 finished. 19th, part 1 finished. 22nd, part 2. 23rd, part 2. 24th, part 3. 25th, part 3. 26th, part 3. March 1, part 3 continued. 2nd, part 3 finished. 3rd, part 3 finished. 4th, part 4. 5th, part 4. When you finish the book, reread it. Then find a book to compare and contrast it with. Make sure you finish your own reading plan and start reading so that we can get ready for groups next week. Review. Reflect on your plan. Is your plan a good pace for reading? Are you reading enough every day to keep up with a story and enjoy some productive struggle? A good sign of productive struggle so that you are making reading ability gains is that you don't know everything easily, but you are seeing a movie in your mind. If you do not worry. Pick a different book. You can go back to the pick a book lesson from the beginning of Q3. Also, come to office hours and we'll find something for you. Code, FAUSELA or FAUSLib. Sentence starter if you would like one. My plan. Thank you, readers.